Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will learn how to download and install Git on Windows system. So the first, we are going to open the Chrome browser and just type download Git Bash. Then you will see the link is a Git SCM. So just click the download button. Then under the download, click on Windows, and then we are going to select the 64-bit Git for Windows setup under the external installer. So click that, and then we have to go to the download folder, and this is the Git. So download is completed. Now we are going to install the Git. So double click on this Git. Then you will get the system admin warning alert message. So you have to click yes. Then it will give you the window, the installation window. So let me minimize this. So this is the window you will see. So click next, 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 next. Okay, you have to click next, next, next until you see the progress bar. So it will take a few seconds. And when installation is done, so you can checkbox for the launch Git Bash and uncheck this. We don't need to see any release notes. So click finish. So then it will open the Git Bash window. So this is the Git Bash windows looks like. So let's say I'm going to test something. Let's say present work directory pwd. Okay, so it is working now. So this is how you download and install the Git Bash in Windows. Thank you.